It's time for a Canadian hunt and fill. We got one from the 50s. It's a 1958. And then we got some from the 60s. We got a 62, a 64, a 65, a 68, and a 69. Then from the 70s, we got a 72, a 73, a 74, a 75, and a 79. Then from the 80s, we got an 81, an 82, two 83s, an 84, and then I only picked up one of each of these, but we got two 85s, two 87s, two 88s, and two 89s. Now the Canadians from the 90s, we got a 91, a 93, a 97, a 98, and then we got a 2003, a 2004, and a 2006. So we got one from the 50s, 5 from the 60s, 5 from the 70s, 13 from the 80s, 4 from the 90s, and 3 from the 2000s. Now I'm going to check the Canadian books to see how many we actually need. These are all upgrades. I already took the coin out because as I was going through them, I was flipping them over to have the date side up so I could see that the correct date was in it. So we're upgrading the 1962. We're also upgrading the 1975, the 1972, the 1983, the 1987, and the 1988. We do have one addition to the book. We're adding a 1985 Canadian penny to the book. I did have to look that up, and it is that variety that we have. This last book, the 1991 Canadian penny, is an upgrade. I already took the other one out. And then we have a 2003 edition and a 2006 edition. This one does not stick to a magnet. And this one here, the other option for the 2003 was the uncrowned. And if I flip this over, you can see that she still has a crown on. So this one does go there. So this is going to be the end of the Canadian Hunt and Fill. So I hope you enjoyed this one. And I'll be back with another one very soon. Bye.